Hello everybody, good morning or good afternoon si estás en la tarde lo estás viendo. Let's gonna start with the English class. Today we're gonna check the song Rain Rain Go Away. Hoy revisaremos la canción Rain Rain Go Away. So, you need to listen to the song before you continue, okay? You need to listen, hay que escuchar, the song before you continue. Antes de continuar, hay que escuchar the song. Yo te dejé esta song en tu classroom. Entonces, si no lo has escuchado, nos regresamos a escuchar esa song. Si ya la escuchaste, okay, let's gonna continue. Okay? So, let's gonna read the song. Let's gonna do it slowly, alright? Calmados. You're gonna read at your house, okay? To lees en tu casa with the teacher. Ready? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Monster wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Okay, that's too easy. Let's gonna do it a little bit faster. Okay, let's gonna do it a little bit faster. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Monster wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Okay, very good, you guys. So, teacher, we already sing too much. Yo sé que ya cantaron mucho, ¿verdad? So, let's gonna see what you are going to do. Vamos a ver qué vas a hacer. Let's gonna check for rhymes. Can you identify the rhymes in this song? ¿Puedes identify las rimas en esta song? Let me remind you what are the rhymes. Déjame te recuerdo que son las rhymes. So, a rhyme is when the ending of a word sounds like another word. La rima es cuando el ending final de una palabra suena like another word, como otra palabra. Most of the time, la mayoría de las veces, they end with the same letters. La mayoría de las veces, estas terminan end with the same letters, con las mismas letras. La mayoría. For example, cat y hat. Cat y hat. Que no significan lo mismo, pero tienen una rima porque suena muy parecidas el final. Cat, hat. Dilas en casa. Cat, hat. Ok, esto es una rhyme. Ok, let's go back to the exercise. Regresemos al ejercicio. Ahora sí, can you identify the rhymes? Vamos a leerlo rapidito. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Monster wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Okay, so let me help you with one. Just a quick help. Away. So, you're gonna find two more words. Hay que encontrar otras dos palabras que sean rhyme con la palabra away. ¿Ok? Entonces, vas a escribir, you're going to write the song in your notebook. Vas a escribir toda la canción en tu notebook. You're gonna make a drawing. Vas a hacer un dibujo por esta song en tu notebook. And you're going to circle the rhymes. Y vas a encerrar las rhymes. Tres cosas. Escribir la canción. Make a drawing. Hacer un dibujo. Circle the rhymes. Encerrar las rimas. Okidoki. Alright. When you finish, cuando termines, that's it. Es todo. ¿Ok? No more activities until tomorrow. So, Goodbye, class. See you tomorrow with another activity. Bye bye.